I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on Moan Finance is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Moan Finance account. Start by accessing the Moan Finance website or app and logging in with your current credentials. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos before saving. Quick tip, if you don't receive a confirmation email after changing your address, check your spam folder. Step 5. Confirm the change. After saving, Moan Finance will likely send a confirmation email to your new address. Click the link in that email to finalize the update. That's it. You've successfully changed your email on Moan Finance. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. Happy investing!